Hey everybody, Jared with Xpresscreen back here. I'm going to show you a little bit about our newest product. It's called our MiScreen. It's a new thermal printhead machine that we've got to expose our thermal mesh. Many of you may have already seen some of my videos and know that our biggest claim to fame is that we don't have any of the chemicals, the emulsion, darkroom, or water in order to make a screen for screen printing. We use thermal printhead technology, which is exactly what this MiScreen does. And we're able to take our image directly from the computer. As you can see here, I've got just the MiScreen logo. It's loaded into the proprietary software or print driver for the MiScreen. So we're going to actually send this logo directly to the MiScreen and be able to expose it onto our piece of mesh. So I went ahead, the frame that we have here, it is specific for the MiScreen. If you purchase a MiScreen, you will get what we call our startup kit with it. It's going to have one of these frames, one of the printing boards, this black printing board that you see here, of course the machine, the software, 5 sheets of the mesh in a 120 count, as well as a little plastic squeegee and some double-faced tape, which I've already applied to the plastic frame. So the plastic frame, there'd be another in-depth video showing you how to put the double-faced tape on as well as the mesh, but the double-faced tape does go on a certain side of the frame, and you want to put your mesh with the shiny side of the mesh facing the sticky, so shiny to sticky as I can remember it. Our mesh, if you don't know, our mesh is coated on one side, so the shiny coating here is actually a heat-sensitive coating. That's what's going to react with the thermal printhead, and that heat from that thermal printhead will remove that coating and therefore open our screen. So, like I said, this is it's ready to go through the machine. On the actual black frame here, there is a little triangle. That triangle is actually what we're going to match up to the triangle on the machine there. So, in order to expose, you just slide this in. There's 2 little pins that are here on the machine itself. You want to just slide those into those holes there. Through our software, once you've got your image loaded, sized, and all the specifications over here on the right hand side, once you have all of that figured out, down at the bottom it just says send image, and our green light on the machine will blink. That means that the data is being transferred, or the image being transferred directly from here to the actual machine. Now, in order to, once it stops blinking, all the data is in the machine. In order to expose, we press down, and your max time is about 30 seconds. You just want to hold this down. What that does is that gives you good contact between the coating of the mesh and the thermal printhead. Once it's done, you can lift up here and you just want to slide this straight out the back. Okay, and you can probably see our logo right there. So now what we'll do, these holes here, they not only match up to this on the machine, the 2 pins on the machine, they also match up to our pins that are on our printing board here. And that way we know that it's exactly in the correct position. So let me move this out of the way real quick. Let's bring this over. And I've got myself just a print square here. It's just a representation of what could be a t-shirt or any substrate that you might want to print. So we're just going to set that down, and like I said, it clips into place there. We're going to take the plastic squeegee. This plastic squeegee is 9 inches wide. It comes in the starter kit, and we'll just get some ink started. Lift it up. And there's your screen print. Now this would be able, I'm using plastisol ink. That's mostly what we have used over the course of the years, but you can also use water-based inks. A lot of folks outside of the United States that already actually have these machines, they use them to print paper, glass, different substrates, non-porous substrates, so you know that's where your air dry inks would come in handy. It's a great little machine. It gives you an image size of 8.27 wide by 16.9, yeah, 16.9 long. So it's an A4 paper size, if you didn't know A4. So great little machine. We've got them now in stock, so definitely check us out. If you have any other questions about it, you can give us a call here at the office. It's 800-597-9530, or you can check it out on our website, Xpresscreen.com, or also on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Xpresscreen. Again, I'm Jared with Xpresscreen, bringing you the MiScreen. I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a great day.